to Sativo Saturday. If you want to make a cocktail in a flash,
welcome to Earn Your Beads. I'm Riley, and this is a drink you're going to be able to make at home. It's called the Party Favor. Start out with a Fresno pepper. Muddle that right into your shaker. Half ounce of lime. Quarter ounce of lemon. A half ounce of blood orange. A half ounce of agave. 2/3 falernum. Half an ounce of mezcal. 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. An ounce and a half of El Sativo Tequila. Add some ice to your tin. Shake that up real quick. Party! Fine strain that puppy. I'm gonna add some gem ice and swizzle it. Top with some more ice. Garnish. Cheers!